by the feedback from Ma'am Annabelle and Sir from Davao, Sir Rocco. Okay? So, I will start my comments, my closing remarks for you all, and please pay attention, okay? Yun lang po would like to request of you. And I know you will do the same thing when you are in front of your classroom. Do something where you can draw your students so they will not miss any information. Okay? Yan po sometimes ang challenge natin kapag nagtuturo tayo. Diba? It's really gathering everyone's attention. And for the past 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, including your introduction and meeting our industry partners, I know it's been a long 4.5. Again, I want to express my sincerest gratitude to all of you. To the central office, Ma'am Weng, saan po kayo? Dati silang tumatakbo, si Sir Jody, Ma'am Mel, Ma'am Sally, Ma'am Celia. We cannot do this without you. And of course, to my sparring partner, all the way from the U.S., from Josephine Station in San Francisco, si Ma'am Josephine Romero. In short, they call her Ma'am Jopen. What I notice right now, please try to get to know her. Siya po ang nagcha-champion sa inyo, both DepEd and PISAC. This would not have happened without the tireless efforts of Ma'am Jopen Romero. Okay. Did you know that this partnership between private and government, this is unprecedented? Wala pa po ako nakita. I know I've lived in the US for 40 plus years now, okay? But I also know, I've been around traveling since 2013 to promote this program. Alam ko po, mahirap po mag-blend sometimes ng government and private. And I will be bold to say, and I hope this partnership really will ignite, and this will be the beginning of this beautiful movement that each and every one of you are a part of. Okay? And of course, to my dearest colleagues from California, Sir Raston and Jeff Hyde. Okay? Let me tell you, I cannot stop doing this. I continue to do this, put it that way, because of these two amazing individuals. I cannot do this alone. Okay? Nor you can do this alone, because we are all in this together. And of course, my dear coaches, I know you have already received beautiful feedback, okay? And continue to do this with a lot of humility, and with a lot of adaptability, and with a lot of focus. I know your challenge with balancing, I am a DepEd teacher, and at the same time, I call it like a call of duty. Sometimes it's unexplainable while you're here. Take it in, okay? You're already here. And it is now our charge to inspire our fellow educators to join us so we can continue to spread this, okay? So let's give them a hand, you guys. And of course, to Claire and Charlie, I cannot thank you enough. I know you've been running around trying to make sense of all this ever-changing schedule, but you know, you made it work. And of course, to you participants. You're no longer participants because pretty soon you're going to be graduates of the Catalyst Educators Program, okay? And shortly you will be receiving your certificates. Okay? So, give yourself a round of applause. Smile, smile, applaud, libre po yun, okay? So be generous in acknowledging each other, alright? Now, I know you will agree with me that in just a few 4.5 short days, you have seen the many, many possibilities, and you immersed yourself into the incredible potential of these edtech tools and generative AI education. I know you agree because I already heard it from two individuals who represent you. Okay? Now, you have experienced how AI opens up not only new possibilities for teaching, but also effective and engaging ways in learning. So this is for the teachers and passing it on to your students. And yesterday we were blessed by our special guest from Canada. Do you remember his name? Dr. Aubrey Patterson from Canada, sharing his expertise and insights about leadership and professionalism. So what you do, this is not about us. It is about the people that we are impacting. It's the learners, right? But most importantly, I know that you will agree again with me. I saw it throughout these 4.5 days, and I saw it last night. Who was here last night? Okay, only a handful, but I know all of you were here last night, okay? And most importantly, you have met new friends, new group of professionals, and I know you're going to be counting from each other to draw that inspiration for you to carry on this journey. You cannot do this alone, all right? I emphasize that I cannot do this alone, nor Rushton, nor Jeff. Together, we can do this. So, let's continue to empower us as educators. And I know you learn how to manage your workload through these tools. I know that you can have options for your students. Where is Sir who brought up the how to work with students with disabilities? Okay, and that's actually our special learning options. That's actually one of the things that I've done at Foothill College. So disabilities doesn't just talk about physical disabilities. And sometimes there are more hidden disabilities. I don't like to use the word disabilities. Like, who knows that some of your students you are teaching today, in your classroom today, 100% may be ADHD, may have learning disability, may have other things that you may not physically see. And those are the kinds of students that we also need to pay attention. And through this now, you can do customize. You can actually create a learning experience for them that can be as if you're experiencing the same learning experience with the rest of your students. Okay? Now, what does that mean? Because of the use of generative AI, you will now have more time to do what you do best. What is that? What do you do best? Teaching and inspiring students. Isn't that great? Now you have more time to do that, right? So, moving forward, I would encourage you to embrace these new technologies and continue to explore and discover more possibilities. Continue to embrace innovation and new pedagogies. I'm sure you observed the last 3.5 days that the way Sir Ruston and Sir Jeff delivered their training, they were not just standing in the middle of the room. Okay? There were outputs that were expected of you. There were evidence that you get it. And this morning, we get to see some of those work, and we will continue to really show your good work, and you will see them also in our social media, okay? But right now, they are in the YouTube unlisted site, right? Okay, so this is my hope. GLA's hope is to see as many of you join our coaches, guiding the next batch of participants to this exciting journey. You can raise your hand if you're ready, or it's okay. We're going to be getting feedback from our coaches. You can nominate yourself if you're ready to be a coach for the next Catalyst training. But that's really my dream and goal. So that's the only way that we can escalate this Joven, how many schools again in the entire DepEd system? Or maybe folks from DepEd, you can answer that? How many? 47,000 schools in DepEd. 60,000 including ALS. Works, Sir Eric, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's a lot of schools for us to be able to
20 million
share
plus
this.
students.
20 million plus students, 800,000 teachers. So we have our carved out for us. So, become the catalyst for change, to transform teaching and learning in the Philippines. One student at a time, one teacher at a time, one school at a time, until it cascades to the entire Philippines. And with that, I am really impressed by the conversations yesterday. Those of you who stood up, teachers, administrators, principals, or whatnot, I am so impressed by the courageous conversations that occurred here in the past 3.5 days of training. Kung minsan, di ba, mag-aatubili, you hesitate to speak up because your boss is right next to you. But, you know, Sir Rustan and Sir Jeff, thank you for providing that environment where it is a safe environment. And that's what we want to do as well. When you go back to your classroom, reflect what you have learned here, because as Sir Rustan said, this is not just about learning new technology. Learning technology is easy, but really the philosophy of it, how you're going to apply it, and really connect with your students, so they'll be guided accordingly and inspired to thrive in the global economy today. There's a lot that we expect of our students to prepare them to be job ready. So with that continuous engagement, where's Claire? Can you just show quickly? Ito po, this is not graded. We leave it up to you if you do it or not. But this is my advice. Since you are learning a new thing, repetition is the mother of learning. But beyond repetition is what? Application. Kapag, parang ano po yan? Learning a language. If you do not speak it, Yagabari Paruski. But since I'm not speaking the language anymore, I used to speak Russian when I was still studying in UP. My major was foreign service, so we were required to speak 2 Asian languages. I used to speak Japanese, Russian. You did not know that, but if you don't practice it, it will fade away, just like technology. Okay? So continue that engagement. You will not be graded. This is really up to you, but I will highly prescribe. We have our group chat form, so this will be appearing in our group chat. Okay. Now, that is it, and I want to thank you for your dedication. You allowed us to have a fun and successful event. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
So, this is really coming from my heart. I would like you to really continue doing this. The friends that you made here, multiply that times 10. Diba? Sir Aston, sabi niya, go, 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 go! Find new people that you don't know their names yet. Here, I want you to 10x this. Find 10 people here in our 127 participants. If you have not connected with them, connect with them. So, thank you and again, God bless, and continue to guide us in our journey to make a difference in the Philippines and in the world. So, thank you, mga